Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Downy Light. Downy Light is a laundry product designed to add a subtle, long-lasting fresh scent to your clothes. It's perfect for those who prefer a lighter fragrance experience compared to traditional fabric softeners or scent boosters. This product is available in different to use Downy Light scent beads. Simply toss them directly into the washing machine drum before adding your clothes. Do not put them in the dispenser drawer, as they are designed to dissolve during the wash cycle. For a standard load, you can use anywhere from 1/2 to 1 full capful, depending on your desired level of freshness. The beads will dissolve completely, infusing your laundry with a light, pleasant aroma. If you are using Downy Light as a liquid fabric softener, locate your washing machine's dispenser drawer. Pour the recommended amount of liquid directly into the compartment labeled for fabric softener. Be sure to follow the fill lines on your machine's dispenser to ensure proper dosage. For a typical load, approximately 3-5 fluid ounces should be sufficient to leave your clothes feeling soft and lightly scented. For the best results with Downy Light, remember to adjust the amount of product you use based on your laundry load size and your personal scent preference. A larger load or a desire for more fragrance might require a bit more. This product is safe for use with all washable fabrics, so you can confidently add it to any load. Always store your Downy Light in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.